Alright, part 2, GMC Acadia PCV valve. I believe it's called the right. That would be the right, and this would be the left. So, I replaced it. It's the one there in the back. So that's it right there. So, I seated it as best as I could. Looks like it's still just slightly popped out. That's the new one from, what is it, CarQuest. So Advanced Auto Parts, the only place that carries them on hand. So what I ended up using was a 1/2 inch to fit over the PCV valve, and a few universal bits, I guess, or adapters, should I say. So I just used 3 different sizes, so that way I could get the length on it. So that way it'll be about that long. Put it down in there. Sorry about the movement. So that's it right there. And you're gonna have minimal space under there. So be careful with all your lines. You don't hit those metal lines, your AC lines, or anything else. You don't damage it. So I hit the top right there of that with the sledgehammer, just slowly, nice and easy, until it's set down into the bottom there. So that's how I ended up getting it in there. Just used a little mini hammer, or little mini sledgehammer. Just put it to the side, so that way you could just tap it in there. And that's how I seated mine. Oh yeah, just to let you know, seating it is much, well, not much more difficult, but it does take more work to get it in there. So just be prepared. Don't stress out. Just take your time and make sure you get it done right.